Buckle. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can quickly add a new brush stroke to Affinity Photo. Now, Affinity Photo, if you want to see the brushes, you can just go to View and Studio and Brushes. And there's a whole range of different brushes: basic, painting, drawing, and so on and so on. Now you can use obviously all those ones, but you can also add your own. So just double click on one. And the key thing, once you've actually double clicked on it, brought it up. Now, you want to duplicate. That's the key thing, because otherwise you lose the brush you've created. So duplicate and come out, and then you'll see the duplicate there. And I'm going to work from that. Now you can modify it with various things: size, jitter, flow jitter, etc. You can also modify some of the spacing and rotation, which has an odd feature occasionally on some angles, cuts off. Now that probably is my brushes that I've got. The brush size is not exactly correct for this type of a brush. So these brushes are from Graphic Extras. They're tri-radial brushes, but of course you can create your own brushes, and obviously you can check it for rotation, make certain you avoid any error like that. Now, modify the size as well, and hardness and spacing, and there's various other settings as well. Click those at that point. Now if you want to, I'm going to go for another one, say change, and I can say add. But again, I'm just going to make the same mistake I just mentioned. Key thing, duplicate, and then just go back and then change that one. Shows you must always remember that, duplicate. It would be nice if the actual tool would come up with a little reminder. So you just don't do it, but it doesn't. So there's that. And again, you can add and maybe select a different one. I'm going to go for that one, that design, and you can see what happens. Actually, you can actually have two brush nozzles. So you've got the brush, so you can create maybe sort of like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe create some interesting sort of brushes like the paint and nozzles, where you can actually build up nozzles. So it's quite handy. You can modify the scales. There's nozzle and final, various settings as well. So now close. I'm just going to go with that, and then just going to quickly paint that. And now I've got a hue jitter as well, so you can see the colour changes. So it just quickly goes through that and selects the shape. Right, there you have it. A quick way of adding some new brushes to what is really a very, very good application. The brushes are pretty decent before you actually add any, but of course if there's a particular type of design you want to use, then obviously adding new brushes is great. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.